Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so glad you could be here with me today for this video. So I want to show you guys exactly how I make my Thin Mint protein drink. It is so good. It tastes exactly like a Thin Mint cookies. And if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jennifer. I'm a certified keto health coach specializing in healthy ketosis and intermittent fasting. So if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you are notified when a new video comes out. So I am so excited to share this with you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so for this drink recipe, you are going to need 1 frozen banana. Okay, you are going to need a cup of coconut milk. I like using the organic coconut milk. And you also want to make sure that you are measuring all your ingredients. So I have 1 measuring cup and I have 1 tablespoon. Okay, and then you are also going to need these raw cacao nibs. They're so good, and I'm only going to use a tablespoon of these because they're kind of high in fat. So you want to make sure you're not overdoing the fat. You want to make sure you're measuring everything because the coconut milk has fat, the cacao nibs have fat in it. We're going to be using hemp seeds. These also have fat in it. So like I said, you want to make sure you're measuring everything. And we're also going to be using a capful of the mint flavor. Okay, it's organic, it's a liquid. Also going to put 1 scoop of the Sun Warrior chocolate protein vegan powder, and this one is my favorite. It has MCT oils in it, so you really want to make sure that, like I said, you're not overdoing the oils because this also has coconut oil in it. So this is my favorite. It's very easy to digest. It doesn't leave you bloated. And for everything I'm using, I'll make sure to leave links in the description of where you can purchase everything. And also I forgot to put ice in the blender. Okay, so we're gonna start off with 1 frozen banana. So let's place that into the blender. And then we are going to measure 1 cup of coconut milk. So I want to use the rest of this, and I'm going to need more. So a cup of coconut milk. That might be a little too thick, so I might add some water to it. Okay, and then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of cacao nibs. I really love these. They're really high in antioxidants. So you definitely want to take these if you want to increase the antioxidant level in your body. And then the hemp seeds are so good. They're high in protein, they're really high in fat, they're really good for you. So we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of the hemp seeds in here. We're gonna put the ice. We're going to put 1 scoop of the Sun Warrior chocolate protein powder. This comes in different flavors, but for this recipe, you need the chocolate. So 1 scoop of this is no sugar, and 1 scoop of this has about 17 grams of protein in it. And if you want extra protein, you can add 1.5 scoops, and which is 25 grams. Actually, I'm going to add another half because I did legs today, and I want to make sure to get enough protein in my body. Okay, so that is 1.5 scoops of vegan chocolate protein powder, and then we're going to put 1 capful in of the mint syrup. You want to make sure you don't use this a lot. Just make sure you only use a capful because it's very strong. I just love the smell of mint around the holiday, around the season. I love anything that has to do with mint. So if you are someone who is trying to lose a lot of weight, you are on the keto diet, I would omit the frozen banana, and you could just do this without the banana. I work out a lot and I'm lifting heavy weights, and I max my carbs out 70 grams a day, so I could afford to have a banana. 1 banana is 20 grams of carbs. Okay, so we are going to put the cap on, and we are going to blend this baby up. Okay, so this is still a little too thick, so we're gonna add some water to it. And that should do the trick. Okay, so that should do it. It's really creamy and really thick, and it is so good. I can smell the mint. So this is what it looks like afterwards. Let me come up to the camera and show you guys. So you see it's a nice rich, oops, I'm spilling it. So it is a nice, creamy and rich, thick, thin mint drink, and I love it. Perfect. It is like amazing. It actually also tastes like the mint ice cream. You guys have to try it. It is so good. So like I said, if you don't like mint, you can omit the mint flavor. And if you are keto and don't want the fruit, you can omit the banana, and you can still just enjoy a chocolate smoothie. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.